back at it again, and this is what I've done today. That's my bonnet. I put the original piece back in up to there and then made a new piece on the end. So that's that done. I'll be back with you when I've done some more. Hi everyone. I've put my handle on temporarily, my lock. Door's locked. I haven't been able to do this from day one because I've never had the keys. I've got some keys now. Took all these old manky rubbers out. The doors. I've got new ones of them. So yeah. I've also fixed the boot one as well. Boot one locks. And I've done that on the bonnet. It's all ready for bodywork. Okay. Back when I've done some more. Just quickly show you the front again. Hi everyone, I'm now sanding the dashboard down. It's all been sanded by mod. Get back to you when I've done some more. It's all sanded and primed. I'll wait for that to dry. Cleaned up all my mess. She's nearly done. Just got to do my roof brace. Get that glued in and bolted back in. I'll be back with you soon. Next time I come out to work on it, that'll be getting sanded and then epoxy primered, and then it will go glossy black when I get the, well, when I can get it watertight. Looking good. Back shortly. Hi everyone, just wanted to show you that I have took the driver's door right back down to metal. This is just some rust treatment that I've put on in the rust areas. Now I'm going to get ready to prime it. So, the only repairs I got to do on this door is there and there, and obviously and be in that corner and some on this edge. thought I'd make a start on this now. Give it a little bit more of a sand. And I'll get back with you. Hi everyone, back again. This is what I've been doing today. Finished, primered. And the only repairs I've got to do is that one, and a little bit on the inside. All the bottoms there's finished. So I put some more bolts in, seam sealed it, painted it. That's finished. Got a dent here somehow that I've got to sort out. Then there's this door. I'm going to take all the paint off that. And I've been using this fantastic paint and rush stripper. I got 10 of them. They take the paint off like nobody's business, because that's what I did to that door. So this side is finished. I've got to do a bit of work to this. Even all that's done. Got to straighten this out a little bit. Put this wing bolts in and lines up. Need to push in. There. It's ready to be primered. And then, as I showed you before, that's a new lock and a new handle. And this is my dashboard. That's ready to be wet sanded and epoxy primered, and then that's going gloss black. So I just got to make sure it's watertight before I do any of that. All the flooring is finished. When I've fixed these, I'm going to stone chip up to there, and then I'm going to paint the whole door so that this bit's stronger. So because the stone chip's paintable, so I'm going to do it up to this line, and then do Cosmos blue. Obviously that won't get done till the whole car's ready. Do anyone knows where I can get these inner strips from? Because mine's got a few cracks in it. I've got the outer ones, but I don't know where to get the inner ones from. So yeah, I need some of them. As you know, I've got keys for this car now. This also works the ignition barrel that I've got. A lot of dust in there from all the sanding that I've done. That dash looks amazing. There's my little mod for the heater controls. My double dinner go in there. And obviously I've got the black clocks that go in there. I've got to start getting ready to get that sound engine in there. Repaired. So I've got to do the same on the other side. All this has now been done in stone chip at the bottom and the top. This is where what takes all the hits. So I've stone chipped this now. So this is ready to be a little bit sanded lightly. If the end's done, and then that can go Cosmos blue. But that'll, I can get basically all the Cosmos blue I can do with the front, inner door jambs, the inside of the doors, when I've prepared the doors obviously. Cosmos up to so far here, because the inside of there is black, will be black, that's how it was. I could sort the inside of the bonnet out and Cosmos blue that on the inside. And I could start getting that ready. So basically I'm going to do all the insides in Cosmos blue, and then all the bodywork on the outside will be done all in one hit. Yeah. Getting there. I've got the same finishing up to do under here on the passenger side. It's on, but I didn't do all the welds. I'm just going around finishing them up now. I've got to put some seam sealer on the inside. So basically I've welded this side, the inside, it's double welded everywhere. Now that that's done, I can seam seal on the inside of the car now. But I'll do all that when I've completely finished the floor and cleaned it up. So yeah, I'll be back with you in the next one. You're gonna enjoy the next video, hopefully. Let's just say I've made a start on the engine. I've just got to order a starter motor because mine's broke. The contacts inside have broken loose. So, see you in the next one. Bye bye. Please like and subscribe.